these aren't cheap. They spent all the money on these brochures, spec sheets. I can put everything on their OneTap, and that prospect and or client takes it with them. Now, when they go to the bar tonight to have a drink, or they go to dinner tonight, what are they going to talk about? What'd you see at the show? Oh, I saw this company. They sell really cool equipment, blowers, steamers, etc. What's it called? Can't remember the name. It was black and red. I've got all of their brochures in my room, okay? Why would you want to do that when they leave your booth, your app is sitting right on their phone. All they have to do is click it, and now they're showing and looking at your products and services at the bar, at dinner, with their business associates, friends, etc. We call that move presence by absence. When someone says, what do you do, or do you have a card? When you hand them a static paper card, like the guy's name, his company, okay, I really don't know what he does. AdaptiveManometers.com. There's no pictures of his product. Like, this is a transfer of information that's going to go in somebody's pocket where you're forgotten. But if he could tap my phone or text me, and then up pops my entire portfolio of services, all my truth, authenticity, and proof, videos, testimonials, that's called social proof that the product that, in this particular case, he's selling to the market works. And that's what people want to see. Now he could book an appointment with me. Like, I can meet people right here in an aisle, tap their phone, and we're having our first sales meeting right there at hello. But people like to go through the process. Here's my card, call me, go to my website and reach out to me when you can. People aren't reaching out to you. People don't even answer the phone today. People don't even return texts today. But again, everyone's going to come to the show, scan a card, try to get somebody on the phone next week, and you're not going to get a contractor, especially in the restoration industry, right? These guys live in a world of crisis management every day, 24/7, 365. If you don't get someone's attention at a show like this that's in this industry, why they're at your booth, why you're talking to them at the bar over a cup of coffee, the chances of you doing business completely dissipate after that first point of contact. And that's why we designed and made OneTap Connect. It's a sales acceleration tool. It's a networking tool. It's a tool that positions you as an expert in your industry and tells your story. So if people raise their hand and they have interest in what you do, you can take next steps, you can book an appointment with them on the spot, and then your information is in the most important device that they hold in the palm of their hand daily, which is their cell phone. I mean, it really doesn't get more simple than that, but for some reason, sometimes people don't get it, right? They'd rather spend all this money on paper collateral or give out something to scan a badge, and they're scanning badges with people that aren't even prospects for their product or service. Therefore, they're scanning dirty data, in my opinion. Hey, it's Charlie, and thanks for watching. And if you like the content, what I have to say, hit the subscribe button. And more importantly, book a demo so we can show you how to brand position and differentiate yourself in your space with impact and influence so you can close more deals at higher price points.